My name is Chinasa Imo. I am the founder of SieDi-Hub. With me, I have 4 other, powerful women who came together to found this organization. And we have a budding team of young people running the organization on ground. So be expectant to see a lot of activities that are led by these young people that we said that we want to empower. Innovation Hub for Inclusiveness, Empowerment and Social Development, shortened as SieDi-Hub, is an organization founded by women but focus in its intervention on empowering young people, the future of the now. And we intentionally do this because we believe that young people have all the capacity and all the advantages that we need to build an egalitarian society, if only we can draw them together and identify their skill areas, hone those skills areas so that they can also understand the potentials that they have and use that to influence outcomes for their future. Now, SieDi-Hub wants to use in a combination of approaches. First, we will be led by research. We'll gather evidence, relevant evidence in different thematic areas. So if it's youth, we have to understand what is the major issues, compounding youth problem in Eastern Nigeria for the next 5 years. If it's children, what are the basic challenges that children are facing? If it's women, what is the most, impactful issue facing women and young girls in this environment? We put together this evidence and then we use it to build the capacity of this demographic that I've mentioned to engage with policymakers, to influence change, because change comes within. Until you begin to voice out about issues that are impacting you, you might really not get the desired change that you want. And this is where we want these people to kind of use a collaborative approach to engage with policymakers to bring forward the issues that are affecting them personally and collectively.
What a blessing it is to be part of this launch. God's hand is on this organization from the very beginning, and great things are going to happen.
I would like to congratulate the board of directors, the founders, and Chinasa on the establishment or the launch of this great organization. And I believe that there's a lot to be done in the country, particularly in the eastern part of Nigeria, and we at Raising New Voices are excited to partner with SieDi-Hub in the coming years. We look forward to all the good work that we'll do together, and we're optimistic about the future of this great organization. So congratulations, Chinasa, and congratulations to the entire team.
We are so excited to be part of this wonderful idea, the SieDi-Hub unveiling, and not just because they invited us, because Chinasa, who is the co-founder or founder of this laudable initiative, she is one of us in one. She was one of our pioneer set of volunteers in Nigeria when we started the One Champions program, and she has been an exemplary person in terms of what she did with us at One and what she continued to do. So that's why we have this fantastic relationship.
But for me, I wanted to make impact where it matters most, which is in suburban, rural and underserved communities where people still have immense difficulties in accessing basic social amenities, such as access to basic healthcare services, access to finances to engage in economic empowerment activities, such as access to basic education. Things like that are in near or total absence in these rural and underserved communities. Look around you. These communities are everywhere across Nigeria and in West Africa, where I have worked in and seen inequalities exist in large numbers. Drawing down to why SieDi-Hub was set up to have its headquarters in the eastern part of Nigeria is just an issue of prioritizing where I felt, or we felt, that the need is enormous. The eastern part of Nigeria, when you converse with your friends in the development sector, they will tell you is an NGO dead zone, because not much non-profits and donor-funded organization operates in large numbers in that area. And this is triggered by the fact that, one, there's not much data to buttress the real difficulties and the level of poverty that people living in there are facing. Statistics can sometimes also, either mar or be to your advantage.
Chinasa, the visionary and founder of SieDi-Hub, has been a colleague of mine, and I see the energy, I see the vision, and I see the determination and intention for her to give back to the society. And so I really am been, should I say, also lucky to be part of the governance structure of SieDi. So I hope to also chip in my best to support in developing our country. So Chinasa, SieDi-Hub, and everyone here, congratulations to you for this great vision that you have that has manifested into reality today.
SieDi-Hub, ably coordinated by Chinasa Imo, for extending to me this invitation to be the guest of honor and a rare opportunity to be your keynote speaker this afternoon. It is my singular honor to be here, albeit virtually, and I cannot fail to congratulate SieDi-Hub and his leadership on today's launch. I am more than confident that this hub will live up to its promises and indeed mainstream innovation for inclusiveness, empowerment, and social development.
To the vision and mission of the the NGO and SieDi-Hub, it's very inspirational to see how like-minded people can come together and create a difference. And I think this is what synergy is all about, right? Basically, us creating ripples in our own way such that together we can brew up a storm and actually work towards betterment of the society at the grassroots level. So greetings from Germany, and I'm really happy to have taken up the role as the strategic advisor for SieDi-Hub. And by profession right now, I am currently a scientific researcher. I am a scientist who is working on fundamental science. And I'm also a part of Global Shapers community, which is a youth-led organization of the World Economic Forum. And that's what I represent here, basically youth action at the grassroots level.
Since founding SieDi-Hub, the question that a lot of people have consistently asked me is, Chinasa, why now? Why founding this organization at this time? Why in the Southeast? Why could you not have set up this organization in the capital, where you already have influence and can easily network with a lot of people and a lot of organizations? The whole aim of doing this is to, number one, improve the quality of lives of people living in underserved communities, but also to improve their standard of living, make them understand ways that they can actually, work within themselves, work with government, work with partners, work as a society to influence things that impact them, and also to understand ways that they can do things more efficiently, more better, using innovative approaches. We're in the system of high tech, high innovation, and other apparatus that we can deploy that can be adaptive to the environment. So we are not saying that we are going to bring AI to do a lot of things, but trying to adapt different technologies and innovation that can help these people, women especially, and young people to carve, and build a sustainable career for themselves to improve their economic status. Thank you very much for supporting us. Thank you very much for identifying with SieDi-Hub as we grow together.